Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by collecting the essentials: the client brief, goals, budget, timeline, and measurable KPIs. Once done, run a quick audit of current channels, traffic sources, conversion rates, and top-performing content to understand the baseline. Then map target audiences and create 2-3 personas so your tactics align with real needs. Make sure to prioritize channels that match audience behavior. This first action gets the proposal grounded in facts and prevents wasting effort on low-impact ideas. Now you build the strategy and scope, outline core services, specific deliverables, and a 3-6-month roadmap with milestones. Once that's sketched, estimate resources, team time, and costs, present base pricing, and 1-2 optional add-ons so clients see flexibility. Next, explain creative direction and channel mix with sample messaging, why each channel matters, and how you'll measure success with concrete KPIs. Make sure to connect each tactic back to the client goal. This shows clear cause and expected outcome. Finish by preparing a clean presentation, visual summary, timeline, and a clear call to action for approval. Then add terms, reporting cadence, success metrics, and the payment schedule so expectations are explicit. Once presented, walk through next steps and set the first checkpoint. If things go off track, use the contingency plan, pause, review metrics at the agreed checkpoint, and reallocate budget to the highest performing channel. This troubleshooting step keeps momentum and protects ROI.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.